Hi, let me introduce my Rubyverse chain reaction, which is called the Stromtrooper attacker. In this chain reaction, there are 3 parts. The first one is a electrical battery train. The second one is a circuit, and the third one is a third part is a Lego ball ramp, in which when the ball rolls down, it hits the Stromtrooper in the head. So that is why it's called a Stromtrooper attacker. First, I will explain the electrical battery train to you because it is very interesting. First, let me tell you that how it can move. It moves by a force of push and pull, and that push and pull is formed because of the battery giving electricity to the magnets, and when the magnets touch the coil has electricity, and the electricity forms a magnet field, and that is how the force of push and pull is made. And also you have to make sure that if your train moves, you have to see that if you take the magnets off and then try to put them together, if they repel or if they attract each other. If they attract, that means that it's not right, and then you have to make it repel. And if it is repel, you are right. And this last thing you have to make sure is that when you put it in, it moves. Otherwise, if it doesn't move, you have to turn around the magnets both sides, and that way you can try again, and they will probably move. And then, so now I'm gonna explain how this knocks down the train. First, this battery train goes in and then hits a ball, which gets pushed by the battery train, and then which hits the train, and then the train goes down, and there is also a piece of string tied to it. So the string pulls the switch, and then when the switch goes on, the fan turns on, also the light, but the light is no use to this chain reaction. And when this spins, a Lego ball falls out of the way, and that Lego ball was preventing the ball from rolling down because the gravity was trying to pull it down, but it was uphill, so it couldn't go down. But when the ball is away, the ball rolls down and onto the Stormtrooper's head, and then he gets knocked out. Now I'm gonna show you how this whole thing works.